This is a tutorial on how to use Animoto in religious education. When you sign up for an educator account, you will see two options to create, Animoto Memories or Animoto 3. So I recommend Animoto Memories as the one to use for education. Because I have an education account, it has given me some recommended video styles that are suitable for education. If I scroll down, you can see there's actually lots of choice there. And when you pick one, that's the style of your video. I'm going to pick the earth because I see a butterfly, which I love. So this is a preview of the video, showing you the background, and you're going to add your own images to go in here. So I'm going to show you now how to add photos and videos. When you're happy with the style, click Create. And this is where you have the option to upload videos. So if students are doing a research project, they have already maybe done the research and saved images into a folder that they want to use. Or it could be that they've taken their own photographs. They visited somewhere, a place of worship maybe, and taken pictures, and they want to present their research in this way. So you click on the plus sign here, and then again the plus sign here to add photos. So this is where you would upload from your device. In this case, I'm going to use the free stock content that Animoto provides. This is the great thing about Animoto, that it provides copyright-free images and copyright-free music to use with our videos. So a great way to model being ethical in our creativity. So I'm going to pick the travel option, and I'm just going to select some images to include in my video. Just a few for sample purposes. I don't need that many. We'll just take a few nice ones there. Okay, so we'll add 6 items into the video. So there's the images that I've added. I can be creative now by putting them in the order I want. Simply drag and drop until you're happy with your image order. And I also might want to add little video clips, which is the exact same way as I've added photos. And down here you see videos. So again, if I'm uploading from my own device, it'll be wherever I have them saved. In this case, I'm going to again get that copyright-free content that Animoto provides and pop it in there. So now I have, if you like, my visual content, but I want to add some text to explain what my video is all about. So the plus button again, this time T for text. And I'm going to give the project a title, so I might say Exploring Creation. And you can also give a subtitle, but you see the characters are quite limited in what you type in. So Animoto is good for short bursts of text. Exploring Creation might be my title, so I'll pop that up there. Again, I can also add some captions to the video. So here's a caption, for example. For this one, I might want to say the world. So you can type in whatever caption you want. So every image can have some text underneath it, which is really useful. And you can also add text boxes in between. So you could have, like this title, in between every image to build up that text to explain what your images are all about. Animoto works best for visual presentations. It's a great way to accompany maybe an oral presentation to speak over it. But it does allow for a certain amount of text to bring those images to life. The video, as we saw on the sample, has music with it. So up here, if I'm not happy with the music Animoto has suggested, I can click on Change Song. They have given me some popular for education choices. There's a huge library of music there, which is great again for copyright-free music. I'm going to stick with the recommended song for this video. So Animoto over here is telling me that my video is going to be 36 seconds long because of the amount of content I've put in. The song length is 3 minutes 53. I could go into settings and slow down the video or speed it up, or actually pick part of the song that I want to use for the video. So again, being really creative with our editing, we have a lot of control over what the final video will look like. But that's it. It is that simple. We've picked our earth style. We've gone with the recommended song, we've added pictures and videos, and we've added text. And that is it. We now can preview that video to see what it will look like. And if we're happy, we can then click produce or continue editing. So if you're happy with it, you can click produce. Otherwise, you can continue editing. And when it's done, you can share it via the link from Animoto, or you can download it. And then it can be shared via email. It can be uploaded to Google Classroom or Edmodo or whatever you might be using in school to have it as a finished project. And it can be added into PowerPoint presentations as well. So a great way to activate being creative in religious education and presenting to one another in a very visual way.